Are you looking for sunshine all day? Well, with this southern exposure, this unit has it.
Are you looking for waterfront living and walking distance to so many great restaurants and shops? Well, this location has it.
Are you looking for beautifully updated common spaces, a year-round pool, and a party room? This building has it.
What a beautiful sunny morning. Let's face it, most of us have gotten off really easy this winter with no shoveling or outdoor maintenance. Well, can you imagine every winter not having to deal with that? That's exactly what we have here for you today at 6 Toronto Street. Devin, why don't you tell us a little bit about this unit?
Absolutely. We have a spectacular 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath unit that has 900 square feet of stunning living space and a southern exposure view that gives you the sun all day long.
Let's head inside and take a closer look. As Devin mentioned, this unit is all about the sunshine. Welcome inside the Sandpiper unit, where each and every one of the principal rooms is bathed in natural light. The neutral decor is just waiting for your personal touches.
Check out this stunning primary that features ample storage with a walk-in closet, a beautiful view of the lake, and an ensuite with neutral decor just waiting for your personal touches.
You know, Devin, I never grow tired of this view. Not only is it gorgeous on a sunny day like this in the wintertime, but can you only imagine what this looks like in the summer with the boats and all the other summer activities?
Absolutely. We're the Knowles Woolsey team and we know waterfront condos. For more information about this listing and others, check out our website.